We are back in the Kinkara Kitchen again with Melanie to show us another very easy to make, but I'm sure delicious smoothie. So which one are we making today?
Well, we will make passion fruit, mango, and banana. No milk in this time,
Okay.
but it's also very delicious.
Okay, yummy.
Okay, so
Well, some people are allergic to nuts, so I guess that's better
yeah,
to try this one.
yes,
Okay.
yes,
So open it.
yeah. You can take that.
Okay.
Then
Perfect.
we can add. So in this time, we will use mangoes from Costa Rica.
Okay. I wonder what color they are. I'm sure they're yellow, but it's probably much yellow.
Yeah.
Yellow or yellow.
Well, in this case, it's because they are like frozen.
Right.
So yeah, that's why the color. But yeah,
Okay. So this is one mango?
yeah. So we will do.
Oh, you want me to measure?
Yeah.
It's good because I'm so used to, for smoothies, I'm used to throwing things in and then people ask me, but how much did you put? So I don't know, I just threw it in, but really it's very helpful for people. So this is about 1 cup.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe we can add a little bit more.
Yeah, mango's yummy.
Yeah.
Well, I'll put in another few pieces,
Yeah.
like a half a cup.
Okay.
1.5 cups.
Yeah. One.
Got it.
So also we will use passion fruit.
Fresh.
Passion fruit, yeah. We have to be careful because it's very acid. So if you add many passion fruit, you can get acid in your smoothie, and it's very strong the flavor.
Right.
So you have to be careful. If you like passion fruit, it's okay.
Right, but if you're not used to it, like most Americans.
Yeah,
Okay, so how much
you can use one.
tablespoons?
Yeah, a half or 1.5.
Tablespoons.
Yeah. It should be froze also.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I feel it's a little hard to get it out. Okay. 1.5.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay, so we will use banana also.
Okay.
You can use.
You said last time that you cooked up the bananas first a little bit and then
Yeah.
froze them.
Yeah. Because
This is the littlest thing.
it's easier if you cut the bananas and then you can get easier the piece of the banana, because you know they are together, and then it's more difficult if you try to get because those are together and
Right.
are
It's stuck.
Yeah,
Glued.
stuck.
Is this enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay.
Great.
And then-
That's about a half a banana. Half of an American banana.
Yeah, and then we will use basil.
Basil.
Yeah, it's really good.
Is that because it goes with the passion fruit better?
Yeah, could be because well the basil is very tasty and also is very sweet.
Right.
Yeah, so for those people who doesn't like or who don't like sweetener in
Right.
the smoothie, just can add basil or bananas.
That's so
or-
cool.
Yeah.
Basil. I don't
Yeah.
think anybody's ever done that. Okay.
Okay, so let's add just a little bit. The leaves are kind of this because they were frozen also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you freeze everything so it brings out the flavor more.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then we just add a little bit ice also.
Okay.
But just less we can use that.
Should I just scoop it like this?
Yeah.
That's okay. It takes faster than my fingers. So about a cup of ice. That's usually what I put.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Okay. So it's ready to blend.
Ah, he's stuck. Ready to blend. Put the cap on. Wow.
No, can
Hi.
no. Can
Oh. I don't know how strong.
process, and then we
And
can
a little
mix.
bit of water.
Well,
Or you don't want to?
With the spoon. Why we don't want to add water?
It's gonna get mushy.
Yeah, you saw the another smoothie. It's
Yes.
because we add milk and also we added water, and it's better in this time if
To
we
get
don't-
slushy.
Yeah.
Yes, I like that too.
Yeah.
My blender that I use has the piece that go inside. You don't have that?
No. Yeah, but we
Because
have
also
to.
when I do like this, I sometimes could break the blade. Okay, so put it back.
Then we can
Look.
now.
I think it should be fine though.
Yeah.
It looks like it mixed. Because it's nice to get like icy slushy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, smells good.
So good. Yeah. So
You can make this into ices too.
yeah.
Like a
That's the
sorbet kind of
consistency
thing.
that we usually use when someone asks for a smoothie.
You try to get it like this.
Yes.
Yeah, this is yummy. And it'll be good in here too if you put mint.
Sorry?
Mint. Maybe instead of basil.
Absolutely. Yes, we can add lemongrass also. We can add another herbs.
Yum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Anise also is very good.
If you had a fresh basil, it would look pretty, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely.
But we don't. So this is it. So this is called, wait, we're calling this passion fruit basil smoothie?
Yeah.
Is that a nice name?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And then we'll just let me wash
Okay.
that. And
Good.
I'll do that.